Are you ready to transform the way you solve problems and eliminate recurring failures? Imagine walking into a crisis and knowing exactly what to do, where every challenge becomes an opportunity for innovation and lasting improvement. Welcome to the Certified 8D Problem Solving Specialist course, the ultimate hands-on training that will equip you with a globally recognized framework to tackle problems with precision and confidence. This course isn't about quick fixes or temporary band-aid solutions. It's about digging deep, identifying root causes, and implementing corrective actions that ensure problems never return. Imagine being the person in your organization who identifies the real root cause of an issue before it escalates, leads structured investigations using data-driven techniques, eliminates recurring failures and prevents costly mistakes, facilitates high-impact problem-solving sessions that drive change. With real-world case studies, expert insights, and practical exercises, you will master the 8 disciplines 8D approach used by leading global organizations like Ford, NASA, and Boeing to solve complex challenges. And here's the best part. This course is accredited by the globally renowned CPD certification service. AIGPE is also an authorized training partner of the Project Management Institute and recognized as the provider of choice by the Society for Human Resource Management, popularly known as SHRM. That means you will earn valuable and pre-approved CPDs, CEUs, PDCs, and PDUs. You will also be eligible to earn the 8D Problem Solving Specialist certification that sets your resume apart. And if you are enrolling during a sale, you are getting the entire program, training and certification for less than the price of lunch. That's right, world-class quality at an everyday price. I am Rahul Iyer. I have trained over 500,000 professionals across 193 countries, and I will guide you step by step with real-world examples and strategies that work. So, if you are ready to transform your approach to creativity and innovation, lead smarter systems, and become the go-to expert in your organization, click the link in the description and you will be taken straight to the course page. Enroll now and become a certified 8D specialist. I will see you in the course.